Ang katawan, hindi lamang sa kagandahan, kundi pati na rin sa impluensya. Ano ang isang mensaheng nais mong iparating sa buong lungsod ng Dasmariñas na marinig nila ng malinaw sa pamamagitan mo?
I want every one of Dasmariñeños to remember that every circumstances has a rainbow at the end. As you all know earlier, I fell on the stage, but I came back stronger, confident, and powerful. And with that, I want that message and this story, one of the story that I want to convey to my fellow Dasmariñeños, that for every circumstances, you may rise up stronger and better. And even in those second chances, that is a chance where you can be more better and more beautiful and more confident. So I want that message to convey to our fellow Dasmariñeños, just like the city of Dasmariñas. I want it to be more hopeful, and I can stand as an image of hope for every people in Dasmariñas city. Thank you.